Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook creamy mushroom chicken. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, chicken. I marinated with salt and black pepper, and then all-purpose cream of mushroom soup, all-purpose flour, and then butter, garlic, spring onions, and onion. We're gonna fry the chicken first. Okay, so that's good enough. I'll add one. Okay, so let's cook that one first. Okay guys, so this is it. It's done. Karon, ato na lutoon ang atong creamy chicken mushroom. Ganiha day nakalimot ko sa atong usa ka ingredients or duha ka ng mushroom o cheese. Okay. Okay. We gonna add the butter. And then garlic. And then the onions. Next, butter. Butter, flour. Sorry. So, okay, add the flour. Next, guys, we're gonna add cream of mushroom soup. And then the all-purpose cream, guys. Soy sauce, black pepper, salt, guys, we're gonna add the mushroom. Cheese. Oh, super creamy, guys. Super creamy na, guys. Chicken. Okay. Okay, so add the chicken. But guys, it's super creamy. And then, ato sa ni siya i-simmer for how many minutes, guys? Kay para ang sauce mo absorb sa chicken. Okay, so we're gonna simmer. Okay, guys, simmer for a few minutes. And we'll be right back. Look at that one. Our creamy chicken mushroom is done. Look at that one. It's so super creamy. And now, we're gonna garnish this one. And then it's tasting. So that's our creamy chicken mushroom is done. So it's tasting time. So I'm gonna taste this one first. Oh, with the mushroom. Super hot, but it's yummy. Okay guys, so that's our creamy chicken mushroom is done. Thank you for watching and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bro Ja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at D Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, D Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching!